In this short video, I'll show you the windscreen option I use for my alcohol stove when hiking. My whole backpacking kitchen fits inside the popular 750 milliliter titanium pot from Toaks. Inside, as you can see, there's a ferro rod, a cloth, an alcohol stove, and the titanium Toaks Stove Frame, which works as a pot stand. There are many types of pot stands for alcohol stoves, but I find this setup the most practical. I took a small piece of foil from a chocolate bar and made this simple windscreen. In my opinion, it works quite well. It's hard to weigh this foil with my scale, but let's say it's about 1 gram, and the price depends on where you get it. In my case, it was basically free, because I stopped myself just before throwing it in the trash. Make sure to subscribe, because it really matters to me.